Welcome back, you guys. Glenn with Old School Millennial. Today I'm going to be working on clearing some trees that have fallen on my property and just cutting them up and moving them on down to the brush pile, and if there's any good firewood, throwing it down in the wood yard. But first I'm going to be showing y'all how to start up an MS-261. First off, for those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Glenn, and I started this channel in a big part to motivate people and inspire people to get outdoors and work with tools and equipment that they enjoy. Before I get to working with my chainsaw, I know a lot of you probably may already know how to start a chainsaw, but this is for somebody that's just purchasing a Stihl MS-261 or a similar like the 362, or several of the other Stihl chainsaws. I just want to show what that looks like. There's a decompression button right here that you can press. On this 50cc chainsaw, you can do that. It's not a hard pull anyway, but it definitely will help. So on the back here, there's 3 different settings. First, you have to pull the trigger if you want to push it down or in the middle, and you can push it up while it's running. So the middle is where it's going to be running all the time. This bottom one, that is the choke. So you're going to pull the throttle here and then push that down into the down position. And that is activating your choke. Then whenever you start it, it's going to start, and then it will send it into a high rev situation. And then you're just gonna touch the throttle there, and then it will send it back to idle. But if you wanna let it run for a second in the high rev motion, that's good to get it going. So I'm going to push this button down so the choke is activated. And then I'm going to start the chainsaw. And then after you've started it, should be very easy to start right back up. And after that point, it will just idle. So as you can see, we've had some casualties over the last several days, but I'm gonna try to remove some of these. First, I gotta get to this thing. This is kind of precarious, but I think I can figure it out. Thanks you guys for joining me today. I meant today to just be a quick tip for those of you that have just gotten a new Stihl chainsaw and you're looking to learn how to start it. Until next time, you guys, get outside and do something that you love.